Welcome to part 4 of our HVACdirect.com Getting Started series. In this video, we'll walk you through how to begin assessing your needs and equipment list for what is needed to purchase a completely new or different type of heating and cooling system. This video will apply if you are putting heating or air conditioning into a space that's never had it before. For example, new construction, an addition, conversion of a garage or sunroom, just to name a few. Or you're adding a new feature like adding air conditioning into a space that's only had heating or vice versa. If you're simply replacing your old system, please refer to the third video in our Getting Started series titled Replacing Your System. New spaces and new systems require you to gather several pieces of information so that you can have an HVAC technician properly quote out what you need. It's a lot of questions, but the reason they are so important is because these answers will determine the proper size and type of equipment you need. Here's what you'll need to determine. Define the space. Is it a complete home, or is it one room or a subset of rooms? If it's a home, what kind? Structured home, tiny house, or manufactured or mobile home? For example, mobile and manufactured and tiny homes need smaller setups, and for those with ducts, they even have a different duct shape. How many floors? How many square feet? Does the space have ducts from a previous install? What space do you have for the system? For example, will it go in your attic or basement? Do you need a split system or a package unit that sits outside? Where you live, does it regularly get below 35 degrees in the winter? This answer will determine if a heat pump is right for you or if you will need a high-efficiency furnace. How hot does it get in the summer? This determines what kind of AC and efficiency you need. What type of fuel do you have access to? Depending on where you live, you might have access to natural gas, propane, or electric. Efficiency and hardware selection are based on temperatures in summer and winter and what kind of fuel you have access to. Once you have these answers, it's time to locate a qualified HVAC installer to share your answers with. They will be able to design the perfect system for you and provide you with a quote. This is where you can save money by purchasing your components directly from HVACdirect.com and having your installer professionally install the system for you. Be sure to watch the next video in our HVACdirect.com Getting Started video series explaining our website sizing guides. Check out our other videos in the HVACdirect.com Getting Started series if you haven't seen them yet to learn about replacing systems, efficiency, and tips for shopping our website. If you need any further assistance or have additional questions, please give us a call, send us an email, or chat with us online.